Hello. Welcome to this lesson. Imagine you are in an English shop. You want to buy something, but you do not know what to say. This happens to many beginners. It feels very scary. But after this video, it will not be scary anymore. Today I will teach you every phrase you need for shopping in English. Listen to each phrase. Repeat it out loud. And then you will be ready. Let's start. The most important shopping phrase. Repeat after me. How much is this? Again. How much is this? You can also say, how much does it cost? Or, what is the price of this? All three are correct. The most common one for beginners is how much is this? And what will the shop assistant say? It is £5. It costs $12. The price is €20. Repeat. It is £5. It costs $12. Now how to ask for help. Say, excuse me, can you help me please? Repeat. Excuse me, can you help me please? Or say, I am looking for a jacket. Asking about size. Do you have this in a small? Do you have a medium? Do you have a larger size? Repeat. Do you have this in a small? Asking about color. Do you have this in blue? Do you have it in red? Is this available in black? And when you want to buy something, say this. I would like to buy this please. Repeat. I would like to buy this please. This is the most important phrase for buying something. Learn it well. And if you do not want to buy, if you are just looking, say this. I am just looking, thank you. This is very useful. The shop assistant will leave you alone. Now how to pay. First, ask if they accept card. Say, do you accept card? Or, can I pay by card? Full conversation. Listen. Then repeat. That is £14.50 please. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. With cash. Here is £20. And here is £5.50 change. Thank you. After paying, if you want a receipt, say, can I have a receipt please? A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought. Very useful. If you want a bag, say, can I have a bag please? And always say, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Being polite is very important in English shops. Now 3 complete conversations. Listen first. Then repeat each line. Conversation 1. At a clothes shop. Shop assistant, hello. Can I help you? Customer, yes please. I am looking for a jacket. Shop assistant, what size are you? Customer, I am a medium. Repeat the customer's lines. Yes please. I am looking for a jacket. I am a medium. Shop assistant, we have this one in blue or black. Customer, can I try on the blue one please? Shop assistant, of course. The changing room is over there. Repeat. Can I try on the blue one please? Customer, I will take it please. How much is it? Shop assistant, it is £45. Customer, can I pay by card? Shop assistant, yes, of course. Repeat. I will take it please. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Conversation 2. At the supermarket. Customer, excuse me. Where is the bread please? Shop assistant, it is in aisle 3, on the left. Customer, thank you. And do you have fresh milk? Shop assistant, yes. It is in the fridge at the back. Repeat the customer's lines. Excuse me. Where is the bread please? And do you have fresh milk? Conversation 3. At a cafe. Server, hello. What would you like? Customer, can I have a coffee and a sandwich please? Server, what kind of sandwich? Customer, cheese please. Server, large or small coffee? Customer, large please. How much is that? Server, that is $7.50 please. Repeat the customer's lines. Can I have a coffee and a sandwich please? Cheese please. Large please. How much is that? Practice time. I am the shop assistant. You are the customer. I say, hello. Can I help you? What do you say? Say it now. Good answer. Yes please, I am looking for a blue shirt in a medium. Now ask me for the price of these shoes. Say it. How much are these shoes please? Very good. The total is £15.50. You want to pay by card. What do you say? Can I pay by card please? Excellent. Now write one shopping phrase in the comments. I will check it. You have now completed week 3. 3 lessons. Simple sentences. Numbers and time. Shopping English. Every week I make 3 new basic English lessons. Next week, Travel English, Family Vocabulary, and Food English. Subscribe now to SG Nova Language Hub. It is free. It is simple. It is one new lesson every day. Thank you. See you next week. Goodbye.